Hi, fellow cruisers. I wanted to talk about that terrible incident that happened on that excursion boat in Greece. It definitely caught on fire, and everyone had to go overboard, which is so frightening. So frightening. Luckily, everyone's okay. There were a lot of people surrounding it to get people out of the water and to help. However, it really made me stop and think. It's like, what do people have on them when they go on excursions on a cruise or any type of trip? I think it should be the absolute minimum. So I always carry like this little belly bag that I can put on me, and I usually have it the entire time that I'm on my trip. So I have everything that's important to me. Like, here's sorry, here's my cell phone, and I can fit my cell phone in there. But most importantly, on my cell phone, I have copies of my passport. I have pictures, I have pictures from my cell phone. I have pictures of my passport, and I have pictures of my vaccination cards and any other important documents. I also take pictures of my medications, the medication bottles, or any actual prescriptions that I have. And all those things are super important, and they can be on the phone in a waterproof case and inside your belly bag. Now, of course, we don't want to think about emergencies, but we want to be really smart. And being really smart is to understand that you're prepared for anything. Don't go on a cruise with like a whole bunch of fancy jewelry on or anything like that. You could lose it. You could be robbed, which is the worst case scenario, or simply just, again, lose it. So you don't want to do that. You want to be able to maybe get like a really inexpensive watch or something like that to take with you, and leave all that jewelry at home. You really don't need it. You don't need it. And don't be flashing your cell phone or your cameras around in certain ports. It's not a good idea. And I take pictures, and I have a lot of camera equipment, but believe me, when I get off in certain ports, I leave my cameras in my safe and maybe just bring my cell phone, which is very replaceable and still takes really good pictures. So be smart about what you do, but I really hope that none of us have to jump off of a ship because of the fact that it's on fire, or any other emergency. I pray that everyone has safe travels, and that they really think about, before they are traveling, of all the things that can keep them safe. And I hope you have a wonderful cruise. Thanks.